श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Some people are fortunate enough to have met Dada at a very young age. Their lives are filled with countless experiences of the divinity of Dada. Today, we have brought to you a story about a man whose life was filled with Dada's grace from the very beginning. We will share with you one of the miraculous experiences that he had. Pranam and welcome to the episode 6 of Babji, the divinity that lives on. Good food and good sleep can go a long way in making a man happy. This man too wanted to get a better home for his family. With the same dream, he purchased a beautiful new house in the New Vasna area of Ahmedabad. In order to pay for the same, he took a loan of about rupees 15 lakh, for which his EMI was 15,000, which he paid regularly. This person is the only earning member in his family. His parents, aged and retired, are completely dependent on him. And of course, with age, their medical expenses have also been increasing. There is also the huge expense of his son's education. Additionally, as they moved into the new house, other miscellaneous expenses also increased. To add to his worry, there was a recession in his business due to the pandemic. He was completely stressed out. He was worried about how he was going to repay his loan. He still had to repay about 9 lakh rupees and he was stuck in the vicious cycle of compounding interest. In what he calls one of the most challenging times of his life, his only solace was in Dada. He regularly visited Dada's shrine in Pankaj Society, Ahmedabad. When he went there, he felt peace and forgot all about his worries. Once, while praying to Dada, he put forth his trouble. He said, "Dada, I still have to pay 9 lakh rupees of my loan. I will be able to put together 1/3 of the amount. For the rest, I can take the help of my father-in-law. If I repay the loan, I will be able to break the cycle of interest and as a consequence will become burden-free. Please help me find a way out of this constant anxiety." As the man lay his troubles at Dada's feet, he also realized that what he was asking for was nearly impossible. How could he ask for money from his father-in-law? And even if he did that, how would he convince his father about it? He knew both of them too well and realized that it was not going to be an easy task. He knew that the road ahead was challenging and he could not sleep for 10 days. However, in the end, he realized that he had no other option but to convince both of them. With Dada's name in his heart, he talked to his father and explained the entire situation to him in great detail. After a lot of contemplation, his father gave him a positive answer. Once he got the green signal from his father, he went to his father-in-law. And by Dada's grace, his father-in-law reacted in a completely unexpected way. His father-in-law said, "I have always considered you my son. I want nothing but for you to live. I want nothing but for you to live a stress-free, happy life. Please take the money tomorrow from me and repay the loan at your convenience. Live a happy and joyful life." The man was surprised. That day, Dada had helped him understand what the word miracle really means. It is only and only because of Dada's grace that he had been able to overcome the biggest challenges of his life. Dada solved all his problems easily and helped him live an anxiety-free life. He says that he has surrendered every breath of his life to Dada and therefore has experienced countless such miraculous experiences in his life. I bow down to you, my venerated Guru. I do not want anything else but your love. I do not want to go anywhere else but to come to you. I do not find beauty elsewhere but only and only in you. I bow down to you, my dear Dada. I completely surrender to you. Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwar Satgurubhyo Namaha.